Could a biblical oil be the secret to healing? Let's explore the ancient wonders of chrism oil. Used for centuries in religious ceremonies, chrism oil combines olive oil, cannabis extract, cassia, myrrh and cinnamon. Not just a sacred relic, this blend is brimming with potential healing properties. Making chrism oil at home is easier than you think. First, decarboxylate the cannabis. Simply combine olive oil and cannabis extract in a slow cooker at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. Remember, do not let it boil. Next, add the essential oils, stir in cassia, myrrh and cinnamon, then gently reheat for 30 minutes. Again, avoid boiling to keep those beneficial compounds intact. Finally, let it cool completely and store it in dark glass bottles in a cool, dark place. Could this ancient recipe revolutionize our approach to health and spirituality? The evidence is compelling, suggesting it's time to reclaim the profound power of chrism oil. Curious to learn more? Check out by Slavek Wojtowicz. Dive into the history, science, and potential of this miraculous blend. Catch you next time, and remember, sometimes the answers to modern problems lie in ancient wisdom.